Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone power button and calls settings. The first thing you will need to do is open settings. From here, you're going to scroll down and tap on accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you're going to tap on touch. Then you're going to scroll down and you will see prevent lock to end call. You are going to toggle that on, and by turning that on you will prevent the side button from ending the current call you're on your iPhone. And by the way, if when you go into accessibility you do not see this feature, I would recommend that you go back into settings, tap on general, then select software update and update your iPhone as this is on the latest iOS 16. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.